Hello everyone, it's me William again, and this is the second lesson in Unity Introduction to C#. And today what we're going to be going over is debugging. Now you might be wondering why we're learning debugging so early, and the reason why is because, well, you're going to come up with a lot of errors, especially considering that you're new, and so you want to know how to solve those errors. And so let me start off by explaining what debugging is. What debugging is where you go through and you fix errors that might happen. You know, if the code is very picky, if there's a single error in it, it cannot run. It's like, think of it this way: it's like having an essay, and you fail your essay because you miss a single period. That's how strict code is in making sure that you can run everything. And so let's create several common examples of errors. So here's one error. Let's say we remove a parenthesis here. By the way, these are all syntax errors, so there's logic errors which are based on whether you wanted to do something but it does something else that you didn't want it to do. But these are syntax errors where it cannot run because of it. And so let's play, and it says all compiler errors have to be fixed before you can enter play mode. And what this means is that you cannot play because, like I said before, if there's a single error, you can't play. And so what it says here is that you need a semicolon. It's expecting that, or expecting a ending parentheses. So let's do that, and then let's change this. Let's say debug.log, and code is case sensitive, so debug.log with a capital L is different from log with a lowercase l. And so if you scroll over, it's red, and it says Unity engine.debug does not contain a definition for log because doesn't exist. So if you go back, it says the same error here. And so let's go back again and let's fix that, and let's remove semicolon, and let's go back, and then it says error semicolon expected. And so how do you solve these? Well, first you have to identify where the problem is, and if you have hundreds of lines of code, it'll be hard to find it, but in the console it'll tell you where exactly the issue is. So if you were to look here, it would tell you assets, the folder it's in, the exact script, and this is the line it's in. So it's on line 17, and it's in the ninth position in the line. So if you look here, yes, it's line 17 here, and then it's the ninth area in the line right here. So you get that? I hope you do. And so let's go back, and let's say you have an error that you've never expected before, right? And you want to fix it. Well, what I do, and I'm sure many people would do, is you have to look on the internet for it. Now, you don't absolutely have to. You can just mess around until you find it, but if you have any problems and you don't know the answer, there's a huge community on the internet surrounding Unity, and so you can get help that way. And so let's take this error, copy and paste it, and let's go to Google, click it in, and then let's search it. Now there's a lot of, since this is a common syntax error in C#, I'm going to get a lot of Stack Overflow or different forums, but we want Unity specifically. So let's look up Unity after that. And as you can see, it will give us some Unity answers. And let's click on that. And then it'll show this. And can you see the error in this person's code? And it's pretty obvious what the error is. The error is this person doesn't have a semicolon. They need to have a semicolon in order to end it, and they don't have one here. And if you really don't know how to solve a problem, then you gotta press ask a question here, and then you can type your question, fill in the details, do more information. I've never actually done this. I just look up other questions people have, but you can do this. Then you gotta sign in order to post, and that's pretty much it. So let's fix the glitch and let's play it again. And it works again. So that's all for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson. And in the next lesson we're going to talk about how to use different variables and such. Thank you and bye.